Once again, Yensan Shasi Beam, Ashanti TV GH, Ashanti TV GH, aha, amamre, any amane honsem, any politics, ye near them, yen page, ye near them, uko YouTuber, Ashanti TV GH, TikTok, Ashanti TV GH, na mempese ne mene ube kwe chiribia, adia yewura, nya wote krawere brawere ngoma so Otumfoɔ osei tutu abebio nyame kese asantema ewura prekope enu nyam sha wode ahye Nkoranzaman no ebinsi da yewura sha Nkoranzaman enu nyam ama Nkoranzaman so ama babio makoduru no odwene ho kura wonte ase. If you can't beat them, join them. Sanity yewura ahye Nkoranzaman enu nyam ama yi ono ankasa ne ba na mamre mu ba a oye oman hene won Nkoranza wa pagana na kwa me bafo edne drum pempen so bia ano wodene yenko na yenko hwe video no.
Minister for Food and Agriculture, Honorable Honorable Ministers of State, distinguished members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Executive of the Tree Crop Development Authority, my son Andy, Honorable Members of Parliament, Nananum, traditional rulers and custodians of our land, heads of state institutions, esteemed development partners, captains of industry, distinguished investors, ladies and gentlemen. I'm indeed honored to be here on behalf of His Majesty, the Otumfoɔ to the second and delivering this speech of the Tree Crops Development Authority. Mr. President, if it pleases you, I would like to invite a few of our principals to join you in a photo opportunity. It is my pleasure to invite the board, the entire board of the authority to please join us together with our two deputy CEOs, Rich Kofi Kofito and Stephen Asante Akwa. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.